They're not crying because they've lost love.
Auntie Sarah made these for you.
That's exactly true.
You know?
Yeah. They're
I
crying
would say
because the whole world
9 out of 10 of these women want fame.
Oh, didn't Auntie Sarah do
Whoa.
a good job? I'm videotaping this. Oh my goodness, aren't they beautiful? Whose name is that? Whose name is that? Oh, those are nice. Nice. Love Sarah. So cute.
Daddy wants that.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you. Auntie Sarah.
Hot stuff. That's really nice. And who's this one for? Lily, be mine. And yours says, love you. Is there anything else in there?
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Mm.
Patty, can I get you in first? Are you ready?
Want some help?
I'm going out. I'll take your rope.
You like it?
Yeah, it's a Hello Kitty picture book.
Don't you love it?
You got a picture book for Hello Kitty?
It's bigger.
Oh, how cool are those? What do you say, Riss? Look at the camera. What do you say, Riss? It was from. Who do you say it to?
Thank you, Auntie Sarah.
And now what else do you say?
Thank
Look at the camera.
you. I love you.
You gotta look at the camera and say thank you, I love you.
Thank you, I love you.
Pretend you look at the camera.
Thank you, I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you, Sarah.
Scotty says thank you.
Cute.
And Patty says hi.
Hi.